This video is for class 8 physics, and in this video we shall learn about the numerical problems based on the chapter energy. Here we have learned few things, which is work, whose formula is force into distance. Number 2, we have learned about potential energy, whose formula is mass into acceleration due to gravity into height. Number 3, kinetic energy, whose formula is half mv square. And power, whose formula is power equals to work upon time. There is an extra formula here. Energy is equal to power into time, which we get after the cross multiplication of this formula. Okay, let us go to the question. Coming to question number 1, the question reads as a force of 30 Newton, right? So force given to us is 30 Newton, acts on a body and moves it through a distance of 5 meters. So distance is also given in the direction of force. Calculate the work done by the force. We are supposed to calculate the work done by the force, which is supposed to be 150 joule. Okay, let us try to solve this. Okay, let us try to solve number 1. Given force is 30 Newton, distance is 5 meter. As you all know, the formula of work is W equals to F into D. So work equals to force, that is 30 Newton, multiplied by distance, which is 5 meter. After the multiplication, we are getting 150 joule. This was very simple, right? I hope you people understood. Let us go to the next question, which is question number 2. Question number 2 reads as a man lifts a mass of 20 kg, right? A man lifts a mass of 20 kg. So mass is given to us, which is 20 kg. Sorry, mass is given to us, which is 20 kg. Now, to a height of 2.5 meters. So height can be assumed to be distance, right? So assuming that the force of gravity on 1 kg mass is 10 Newton. This particular line here, from here to here, it means acceleration due to gravity is 10 Newton per kg, right? It's 10 Newton per kg. With the help of this, we are supposed to find the work done. As you all know, work should be equal to force multiplied by distance. So distance is given to us. This distance is provided to us, right? The distance is provided to us. Now we are supposed to find the force from this mass and then calculate the work. Let us try to solve it. Coming to the solution of number 2, given mass is 20 kg, height given to us is 2.5 meter, which is actually distance. Force due to gravity on 1 kg is 10 Newton, which means acceleration due to gravity is 10 Newton, right, per kg. 10 Newton per kg. Remember, it's per kg also. Okay. Now, with the help of this acceleration due to gravity and mass, we can calculate weight. Now, why to calculate weight? Because weight means force. Because the weight means force. This is the force of gravity. We cannot use this force, 10 Newton. Right? Actually, it's 10 Newton on 1 kg only. But we have 20 kgs. So, how many newtons in 20 kgs? So, it will be 20 kg into 10. We'll get 200 Newton, right? It's simple unitary method. This 10 Newton is on 1 kg. So how many newtons on 20 kg will get multiplied by 10. So 20 gets multiplied by 10, and hence we'll get 200 Newton. Now, as we have calculated the force, work done should be equal to force into distance. Force is 200 Newton and distance is 2.5 meter. Now, removing a decimal point from here, we shall get 10 in the denominator because we have removed it once. Now 0 and 0 gets cancelled, right? Hence 20 into 25 shall give me 500, and Newton into meter shall give me joule. So my answer is 500 joule. I hope you have understood number 2. Let us go to number 3. Coming to question number 3. A body when acted upon by a force, of 10 kgf, this 10 kgf is the force, right, moves to a distance of 0.5 meter. Again, distance is given, right? Distance is given to us, which is 0.5 meter in the direction of the force. Find the work done. Again we are supposed to find the work done using the formula W equals to force multiplied by distance. So your force is given, your distance is given, simply we need to multiply. But the problem here is the distance given to us is in meter, whereas the force given to us is in kgf, right? Hence we shall not get the answer in joule. So I have to convert this kgf into Newton first. From the relationship 1 kgf equals to 10 Newton. Okay, let us try to solve this question. Coming to the solution of number 3, the force given to us was 10 kgf, right, where 1 kgf is equals to 10 Newton. Now since 10 kgf is given to us, so 10 kgf will be 10 into 10 using unitary method will be 100 Newton. Now distance is already given in meter, which is 0.5 meter. Using the formula of work, which is W equals to F into D, thus by multiplying force, that is 100 Newton, by distance, which is 0.5 meter, again removing the decimal point, putting a 10 in the denominator, right, 0 and 0 gets cancelled. Then again after the multiplication, 10 into 5 shall give me 50, Newton into meter will give me joule. Hence my answer is 50 joule. My answer is 50 joule. Okay, I hope you understood number 3.